Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Extreme Tech. Today, we're diving into the truth about Windows 11 and why it might be a bit disappointing for gamers. First, let's talk about system requirements. Windows 11 has some pretty steep hardware demands. If you don't have a relatively new CPU or TPM 2.0, you're out of luck. Many gamers are finding out their perfectly good rigs are suddenly obsolete. It's frustrating, to say the least. Next, let's chat about performance. Sure, Windows 11 promises better gaming performance with direct storage and auto HDR, but in reality, the gains are minimal for most users. Benchmarks show only slight improvements over Windows 10. So, if you were expecting a big leap, you might be let down. Now, about the user interface. The new design is sleek, but not necessarily optimized for gaming. The Start menu and taskbar are centered, which takes some getting used to. And let's be real, most gamers prefer function over form. The UI changes feel more like a cosmetic update than a functional one. Compatibility is another major issue. A lot of older games and software have compatibility issues with Windows 11. It's not fun when your favorite classics or essential modding tools just won't work. This backward compatibility problem is a big letdown for gamers who enjoy a variety of titles across different eras. Security features have also caused some headaches. While the increased security is a good thing in theory, it can interfere with game performance and cause issues with certain anti-cheat systems. This has led to some games being unplayable or having reduced functionality. Lastly, the frequent updates. Windows 11 seems to have inherited Windows 10's habit of pushing out updates at the most inconvenient times. Nothing kills the gaming vibe faster than an unexpected system restart mid-game. So, is Windows 11 worth the upgrade for gamers? Not really. If your current setup is working fine, sticking with Windows 10 might be the smarter choice. Until Microsoft irons out these kinks, the upgrade just doesn't justify the hassle. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.